Hello everyone, I am Saveri and today we are going to discuss some important economic terms that will help you out to understand economic news items and also participate in a given debate. So let's start by understanding economic terms like slowdown, recession and depression. So let's start with slowdown. So whenever your GDP growth rate is falling down, then you say that your economy is in a state of slowdown. Please note that the GDP growth rate in slowdown is still positive. When you say your GDP growth rate is negative, then you say it is a recession, and when this negative growth rate is prolonged for a period of time, then it is called a depression. There is a common rule of thumb, then when the growth rate is negative for 2 quarters, then you call it a recession. Let's make it a case study. Taking example from the recent Indian economic growth rate, which has been negative for 2 quarters, we say that it is a economic recession. Now, taking example from the Indian side only, we calculate our GDP from GVA. GDP is the national income, and the major chunk of the national income is coming from gross value added. Now, what is this gross value added? For example, you make bread out of your flour. Now, this is a value addition because you are making something out of flour. Now this is the value addition and it is counted as income. Now there are two parts of this GVA. One is the profitability of your corporate sector, which is called as EBITDA, and there is the wage bill. The other part is the wage bill. Now what happened during the recent Indian economic growth rate? The costs were coming down for the corporates. So your EBITDA grew. Now this EBITDA is the profitability, which is the income of the corporates before taxes, before depreciation and every tax that they have to pay. Now the EBITDA was going up, but you know that the wage bills were coming down. So the recent increase in the GDP cannot be attributed just the increase in EBITDA. Now you have something to put in your debate item. Now the news is making sense, more sense. Let's understand what is the cause of this recent increase in the GDP. Now the recent increase in the GDP can be attributed to increase in the consumer goods. Now what are the consumer goods? Whatever there is in the market that is consumed directly by the consumer it's called the consumer goods. Now the consumer goods were increasing and that's why your GDP was increasing. Now you have something for your debate, and now you can make a forecasting that whenever the growth rate in the consumer good will come down, your GDP rate will come down. So we can say that during Diwali, everybody was buying something, so the consumer goods demand increased, and that's why you are seeing an improvement in GDP. Now, all these small economic terms will help you out to understand your economy a little better and help you to make a forecast in any given debate. Now, you guys need to tell me in the comment section what is tax by GDP ratio and how it is important for our economy. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the like button. Thank you and have a very nice day.